Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this socket tube with USB ports with stand and double-sided adhesive tape for attaching to the top or underside of a table from Tronic with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. The cable length, it is 1.8 meters. I like the thickness. Plug in. And you can pull. I like that. 4 sockets, 1, 2, 3, 4 each side, and at the front we have the 2 USB-A ports, 18 watts, and 1 Type-C port, 20 watts. We can see on a green color. The maximum load for the sockets, it is 3680 watts total for the 4 sockets. Included we have in these accessories, double tape adhesive, 3, you can install them here, and you can use the screws, and then the base goes of course here. Just like that. After installing the base at the table, you need to install these screws here, plastic screws, 4, and then insert the base here, slide, and it will lock. It is very secure. Pull and unlock. So easy. I like it. Nice. I like that type of sockets. Are small, cubic, and it fits anywhere. Cable goes here. And here we have some informations. Type A we have 5V 3A 15 watt, 9V 2A 18 watt, 12V 1.5 amp 18 watt. The Type C 5V 3A 15 watt, 9V 2.22 amp 20 watts, and 12V 1.67 amp 20 watts. Type A plus Type C, if you are going to use all the ports together, you have 5V 4A maximum 20 watts on a white color. So let's plug it in and see how long it will take to charge my smartphone from the Type A and Type C. We don't have any LED indicator, no problem, I like that. Choose one of the Type A. Fast charging 2%, 1 hour and 35 minutes until fully charged. I like the time from the Type A. Let's test the Type C. Okay, fast charging 2% the battery. 1 hour and 13 minutes until fully charged. 25 to 30 minutes faster from the Type C. Well, choose the Type C. Thumbs up, I like it. And of course you can charge other devices, tablet, other smartphones, headphones, AirPods. Give power to any device with a 5V, 9V or 12V input. I like it. And the sockets, maximum have 250 volt with 16 amp and of course 3680 watts. And the cost is only 13 euros with a child safety. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Great product, I like it. If you need that kind of product to your office, anywhere, at your home, bedside table and more, well, just buy it. Thank you. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.